On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to make money from home wherever you are in the world. The best part is that you can earn up to $200 per day even if you're a complete beginner without any skills or without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into details. You are going to come on this website, rattle.com. You can see it right here, rattle.com. On this website you can find a lot of different poems that you can read. When you come right here, you can find a lot of different books that you can read, and you can see right here these are issues. So if you like reading, you can come on this website and then read whatever that you want. If you click on content, you can see right here these are poems that people have recently published on the website. You can see a whole lot of different poems. But what we are going to be doing is that we are going to contribute so that we can be making money. We want to write a poem and then publish it onto this website so that we can get paid for our work. For example, you can see right here somebody has published a poem right here. You can see Teacher's Prayer. As I scroll, you can see this is the poem. If you want to read it, you can read it. If you want to listen, you can just click right here and then listen to the audio version of it. Let me just click on it for you to see.
Teacher's Prayer. Blessed are you, maidens of the 180 afternoons. You of the cough at the first inhale. You of the cut school for the seashore. You of the secret nails, the powder.
You can see that is the poem. You can see right here this poem was published on 25th March 2023. It has just been published on the website. So you have to also write your poem and then submit it to this website. If you don't know how to write a poem, don't worry, because I'm going to show you an AI that will do the work for you. So assume you have your poem. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit, so that you can read the website guidelines. Once you click on submit, you can see right here, thanks for sharing your work with Rattle. All of our content comes from unsolicited submissions. We couldn't exist without you. We want this process to be as easy and friendly as possible. For more information, see our full guidelines page, so you can click on that to read more. But this is just an overview of the guidelines. You can see right here, Rattle publishes unsolicited poetry, translations, and book reviews. So you can see you can submit any of these three and then get paid on this website. You can see right here, general submissions are open year-round, always welcomed and always free. So any time of the year you can submit your work onto this platform and you are going to be paid. You can see right here they do not accept work that has been published before. So if you have published your poem on a different website, you can publish it on this website again. Assuming you made it a blog post, social media post, whatever means that you have used to make your poem public, you can publish it on this website again. So they need original poem, so you must write it on your own, or we can use the AI to do that for us. When you come right here, you can see contributors to the print magazine receive $200 and a complimentary 1-year subscription. Poems for online categories receive $100. If you write a poem and you want to publish it on their print magazine, you are going to be earning $200. If you want to publish it online, you are going to be earning $100. So the choice is yours. Whatever category that you select, you are going to be paid accordingly. You can see right here, once you submit your poem, you are automatically going to be considered for a prize. So if your poem is an outstanding one, you can stand the chance of winning $2,000. You can see it right here. In case the editors see your work as one of the best, you can win this amount. You can see there's another competition right here. If you win, you can earn $15,000. You can see it right here. If you scroll further, you can see some of the most important points. You can see everything. They are showing you everything that you need to know before you publish your work onto their website. So what you have to do is that you have to write a poem so that you can publish it onto this website and then get paid. To write a poem, you can use an AI tool to do that for you. You can use ChatGPT. You can use any AI tool that you want. In this case, we are going to be using this particular website, boardhumans.com. This website contains a lot of different AI tools that you can use for whatever that you want. You can see right here, you can use their tools to generate art. You can use their tools to generate articles. You can see lyrics generator. You can see fake people. You can see falling sun, dating stimulator. You can see insult battle, joke battle, and a whole lot of different things. They have a lot of different tools that you can use for free. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different AI tools that this website is hosting. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to look for an AI that can help us to generate a poem. So just scroll so that you can find the tool. Once you scroll, you can see it right here, poetry generator. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now you can type your topic here and this particular AI will generate a poem for you. In this case, I'm going to type something like born a winner. So let me just type something like this, born a winner. This is the topic that I want. Once you have your topic, you are going to click right here, submit, so that it can generate a poem for you. You can see right here, we have to wait for 20 seconds so that it can begin generating the poem. As you can see, it is generating a poem for us. You can see it right here. It is going to generate a very useful poem for us. As you can see, it is generating right now. You can see everything. Let me just scroll for you to see. You can see, as you can see, it is generating the poem. You can see that is the last part of the poem. You can see it has generated a poem for us. You can see it right here, and you can see this is your title. So what you have to do is that you have to copy this poem and then paste it on a Word document, or you can paste it on Google Docs. So I'm going to highlight and copy this particular poem. Just highlight and copy it. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. You can see it right here. This is my poem. You can see it. You can make the title bold like this. Once that is done, you are going to come back. Once you come back, you can generate another poem. For example, I'm going to type something like favorite soul, something like this, favorite soul. This is the title of my poem. Once you have your title, just click right here, submit, so that it can generate the poem for you. As you can see, it is generating the poem. You can see it right here. You can see it is generating the poem. You can see everything. As you can see, it is still generating the poem. You can see it right here. You can see this is the end of the poem. So it has generated another useful poem that we can use for whatever purpose that we want. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the poem. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. It has been pasted right here. So you have to add the title. You can see this is the title of our poem. The spelling is wrong, so you can just correct it. As you can see, that has been done. So we have favorite soul. So we have 2 poems now. You can generate as many poems as you want with this particular tool. Once you have your poems, you have to come back on rattle.com. Once you are on the website, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, general poems. You can click right here to read more about the guidelines. You can see you do not need to include your name, contact information in the file. So when you are submitting, you don't have to do that. You can see do not make another submission in the same category until we have replied. So you don't have to keep on submitting to one category. You can change another category and then submit another article, change another one, submit another poem. They accept many submissions on different categories. Once you read the guidelines, just click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to sign up for an account. So you can use your email address, or you can use your Facebook accounts. If you want, you can sign up with your Google accounts. Once you create an account, you are going to submit your poems so that you can get paid for your work. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.